Welcome to Volume 4 of Evil Jake. I am Evil Jake. Today we're going to talk about the ever-popular subject of now healthcare reform. Does Evil Jake believe in healthcare reform? Have been asked, and I say something needs to be changed a little bit, surely. But do I think we need socialized medicine in this country? No. You argue, well, we already have socialized things here. That's true. I agree to a certain extent. But, if it's broke, fix it. But socialized medicine is not the answer. People say, I heard a guy quoted, people say this, and I've heard other people say it, that healthcare should not just be for the people who can afford it. There should be a right for everybody to have healthcare. That's paraphrasing. Well, I agree. Everybody has the right to health care. Now, on the same token, I'll throw out a hypothetical question. Does everybody in the United States have a right to eat? Let you think about that for a second. Does everybody in the United States of America have the right to eat? To have food, to enjoy food, to eat? Well, it's not a trick question. The answer is yes. They have the right to eat. But the follow-up to that would be, they don't have to have me pay for it. And you say, well, that's not fair. You got people that can't do for themselves, and that's fine. We have things in play for that. We have food banks. We have welfare and food stamps for those people. So, those plans are in play for healthcare as well. We have what we call Medicare, and we have Medicaid, and those are for the people who need help. And everybody else should be able to afford it. And you say, well, I can't afford it. Well, there's other options out there. Usually your state would offer something, a product. There's so many options out there that we're already paying for indigent care. We need healthcare reform. We need it so, in my opinion, where you can't sue somebody for making a mistake. We don't want ignorant people cutting on us, doing brain surgery on us. I understand, but mistakes happen. What if I accidentally did nick an artery and it did cause some damage? Do I deserve for that guy to lose his career over one mistake? Well, maybe he should have to go through some loopholes or some hoops to get back, where he needs to be. But I shouldn't be able to sue him for, hundreds of millions of dollars or even millions of dollars. And you say, well, that's not fair. My aunt, blah, blah, blah. I don't care. People make mistakes. What happened to, I'm sorry? What happened to, whoops, I messed up? Can't we have that anymore where somebody says, whoops, I'm sorry, I messed up? And, and I know that can't bring somebody back, but, people make mistakes. Let he who without sin cast the first stone. If you say that you've never made a mistake in your life, you're a liar. You're a fucking liar. That's all you are. So these doctors, they have to pay these huge insurance premiums to keep themselves afloat, and thus they charge this big money, and it looks like they make a killing, but literally one malpractice suit, one fuck up, I messed up by accident, I sneezed, or what, I don't fucking know what the case may be. You fuck up, you could be gone. So you can't blame them for wanting to make as much money as they can when they can. So if we could cut down on the lawsuits and make them a smaller, or maybe a maximum amount, and then have better testing for doctors to make sure we have competent people in there, maybe the overall price of healthcare would go down. But let's face it, guys, healthcare in this country is a joke. There's no such thing as healthcare. We have sickness care. We don't care for people who are healthy. We never go to the doctor when we're healthy. Very few of us do, at least. We go to the doctor when we're sick. We have sickness care in this country. Not health care, sickness care. Remember that. That's about all I've got right now, and I'd love to see your comments and watch my other videos. I've got some up on salvia, marijuana, antidepressants, life, whatever. Appreciate your comments, and thanks for listening. Have a great day.